All right, what I want to show you now that you've had a chance with the non, is what do you do, just get it up, when you have to change a recurring decimal to a fraction. Now, I would write down this example so that you know what to do. So, let's start. So, for instance, your question is 0.15, and they've got the dot on the 1 and the 5. So, that's telling you that the 1/5 is recurring. Okay, so to start off, you say let x be the recurring decimal. So you would write next to it, x is equal to 0.1515. You can do it about 2 times. You don't have to do it for too much longer than that. Okay. Then what you're going to do, you're going to multiply that x by 100. So you're going to go 100x is equal to, now, because you've multiplied x by on the left, you have to multiply it on the right as well. So remember, you move your decimal 2 spaces to the right. So now you've got 15.15 left behind. Okay? Now you take your x that you've got over here, all right, and you put it underneath it because you're going to do a subtraction sum. So you go x, and that one was 0. Remember, you've got to line up your decimal, 0.15. You can make them both have 2 1/5s on the end, that's fine. Okay, and this is a subtraction sum. So you rule up a line. You have 5 take 5 is 0, 1 take 1 is 0, 5 take 5 is 0, 1 take 1 is 0. Put your decimal, 5 take 0 is 5, and that's 1. So basically you've just got 15. But what happened here, 100x take x gives you 99x. Okay, so that means then you take this number, your 15, as your numerator, your denominator is your 99. And then you look at it and say, can you make it any smaller? Well, I know that 3 can go into both of those. 3 goes in there 5 times, and 3 will go into there 33 times. And that'll be as small as it can go. So you've now changed it to 5 over 33. So I want you to write that out. I'm going to do another one with you so you can see that is how we're going to do it. Right. Let me show you this one. Okay, this one is 1.24, and only that is being recurred. So we start and we go, let x is equal to 1.2444. So repeat it a little bit. Now, because there's only one digit that's being recurred, we're going to make it multiplied by 10, okay? And I'll explain that to you again later. So 10x is equal to, so we've got to multiply this one by 10 because we've multiplied the x by 10. So that means we only have to move the decimal 1 spot. So now it's 12.444. Okay, we're going to take him with us and subtract it. So we're going to go x, and we're going to go 1.244. I'm going to subtract that. 10x, 10x is 9x. Okay, those are 0, 0. That would be 2 point. That would be 1, and that would be 1. So you've got 11.2 as your top number. And you've got, let me just move this up. And you've got 9 as your bottom number. Now we've got a problem there because we can't have a decimal in a fraction. So what do? We bump that 1 out there, make it 112, but it means we have to bump that 1 too. So now it is 112. I'll put my pen back. 112 over 90. And 112 over 90, and then you can say, well, 90 goes into 112 once with the remainder of 10, so it'll be 12 over 90, and you could probably make that smaller. 3 goes in there 4 times, 3 will go in there 3 zeros, so it'll be 30, but don't forget your 1 next to it as well. I think probably go down smaller. Yeah, because 4, let's move it up again. Move it down. All right. I don't think that last bit is right, but my whole point is how you've got to get it going. What I wanted to show you was, let me move this up. Up. If your number is, let me get an example in my book here that I've just done. If your number is 0.213, then you've got to let your x be 0.213213. But can you see that 3 digits are being repeated, which means you've got to have 3 zeros there. So it'll be 1000x on your second line. So then you're going to move your digits 1, 2, 3. So your number will actually be 213.213, and then you put your x underneath it. All right, give it a go.